Do all registry editor changes need a restart? Imagine tweaking your computer settings and wondering if you need to turn it off and on again. That's a common question when working with the Windows Registry Editor. The Registry Editor is a powerful tool that stores configuration details for Windows and many applications. When you make changes here, some take effect immediately, while others need a restart. Not every change requires a full reboot. For example, if you change user interface settings like mouse speed or display colors, these often update right away or after restarting the Windows Explorer process. Restarting Explorer is quick and lets you see the changes without rebooting the whole system. You can do this by opening the Task Manager, ending the Windows Explorer process, and then starting it again. However, if you modify core system components, device drivers, or services, a restart is usually necessary. These parts load their settings during System Startup, so they won't recognize changes until you reboot. For example, if you change settings related to hardware drivers or system security, Windows needs to restart to load the new configurations properly. Sometimes, restarting the specific application affected by the registry change is enough. If you change a setting for a particular program, closing and reopening that program can apply the new configuration. But if the change impacts Windows itself or system-wide features, a reboot is often the only way to fully implement the change. Certain registry values related to Windows updates or system installations also requiring a restart. These are settings that hold pending operations, like file renames or updates, until the system restarts. Without a reboot, these changes stay in limbo and won't be fully applied. To sum it up, many registry editor changes at the user level or for applications can take effect immediately or after restarting just the Windows Explorer process. But changes to system-level features, drivers, or pending updates usually need a full system restart. Knowing this helps you save time and avoid unnecessary reboots. After editing the registry, try restarting Explorer or the affected program first. If that doesn't work, a reboot is your next step. For critical system changes, plan for a restart to ensure everything functions smoothly. This approach keeps your system stable and your configurations properly applied.